We are I Holland. Established in 1946, I Holland partners with customers around the world, delivering tablet compression tooling that optimizes the production of health-improving and life-saving tablets. Driven by our core values, we strive for perfection. We are experts and innovators. We explore the science behind tablet tooling and work alongside you to develop solutions that enhance efficiency, increase manufacturing uptime, and improve tablet quality. Our precision-engineered compression tooling is designed to withstand the toughest production environments, ensuring reliability. Supported by our industry-leading PharmaCare 7 steps, we help you maintain continuous, trouble-free manufacturing. With decades of expertise in tableting science, we understand the demands of 24/7, 365 days a year production. Our commitment goes beyond tooling. We help you deliver products that have a real-world impact on daily lives. Optimize performance, increase output, and overcome manufacturing challenges with tailored solutions. I Holland is the world's longest established supplier of tablet compression tooling. We provide unparalleled expertise, innovation, and support wherever you are. I Holland, tableting science. Together,